Hello, everyone. Are you looking for expert assistance with PlaySMS installation and configuration using Docker or any Linux server? Look no further. I offer professional support to help you set up and configure PlaySMS, the powerful open-source SMS gateway solution tailored to meet your needs. With Docker and your Linux server, as well as your domain, I ensure a streamlined, efficient, and secure deployment process, minimizing downtime and maximizing functionality. I make sure 100% inbox SMS gateway system installation and configuration, SMPP/HTTP APIs integration, sender ID support, and many more. I offer flexible pricing to suit your budget and timeline. Whether you need a fresh installation, advanced configurations, or troubleshooting existing setups, my expertise guarantees a seamless experience. From initial setup to ensuring your SMS gateway operates at peak performance, I've got you covered. Contact me today by Telegram or email to get started and take your SMS communication to the next level with confidence. Your satisfaction and success are my priority.